Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. I'm coming at you once again from the Aldi dumpster. I was just here with you guys yesterday. Today is January 2nd. And I was actually here earlier today on my way to work. And I found not quite a bit, but an okay amount of good stuff as well. And a car just pulled out of where I am right now. I was coming to dumpster dive, but there was already a car right here with, I'm assuming, other divers in it. So let's see if there is anything left after all of those people were utilizing this dumpster. Gosh, my car is so rattly. Okay, bananas. I took a whole bunch of spinach and stuff earlier, so I'm not going to take any more of that because, oh my gosh, that is cute. White cheddar popcorn. I'll take these lemons. I should probably start a box. Okay, I will take some bananas, but probably just a bunch. All right, give me a second. Okay, I put that stuff in the car. Like I said, I took a whole bunch of spinach earlier. Oh, I love pears. I actually took a bag of pears earlier too, but can't go wrong with another. Banana muffin mix, open but should still be good on the inside. There's some milk down here, but I don't think I need or want any milk. Alright guys, we're going to call that it here at this dumpster. Alright, now onto the Gordon food service dumpster. It looks like it has been emptied since yesterday, which is good because if you remember, it was packed full. Let's check it out. Okay. Looks like we got some sweets. Probably more onions. I don't know if I'll be able to get those, but I can try. I think I'm going to take these. I'm not going to take the donuts, and I'm not going to take this bread. It's like a coleslaw mix. These are frozen smoked sausages. I'll take those. More pretzel buns for my smoked sausages. I just made a whole bunch of sauerkraut, but I'm not going to take this either. I'll leave that behind. I'm not going to take these cookies. Okay, BRB. News is I was able to get those onions. Oh man, that's just like pizza dough. That's exposed though, so I'm not gonna take that. A whole case of hot dogs. Let's see, they're sliced. A lot of times, guys, people get upset when I don't take things in my comments, but I just can't save it all. There's no way. And there's other dumpster divers in my area, like I just mentioned as well. take one more peek on the other side. And in the cardboard just in case. Nope. Must have made some guacamole. I see some more pretzel buns, but again, I don't think I need any more bread. I'm gonna leave these for hopefully somebody else to take. I wouldn't use those, so I'm not gonna take those either. I'm just gonna see what that is, but that's gonna be it for this dumpster. Again, I'm sorry I can't take everything. Trust me, I really am, but it would just be wasted at my house just like it is here. All right, so we are back home with the haul now, but before we get into the haul, I just kind of wanted to say again that I understand the disappointment in not being able to save everything. However, the waste is constant, consistent, overwhelming. It's just, you know, I can't save everything. And I know there's probably a lot of new people to my channel, but I am a single individual. I live on my own. I have an apartment-sized fridge, you know, and I've done 2 live dives in a row now, as you guys have seen. So 2 days in a row. And you can just see the sheer amount of waste that happens. And there's just no way that I would be able to utilize it. I would bring it here and it would go to waste, unfortunately, as well. Like I said, I'm only one person. I can only eat so much. I can't be donated if it's perishable or like fresh foods or even like boxes that are ripped open. This can't be donated. If it's past date, it can't be donated. The food banks near me only want very specific things. They asked for pasta and non-glass cans of pasta sauce. So I might donate the spaghetti that I found the other day, but it's just unfortunate that there has to be waste, but I can't save it all. So, you know, I try my best, and so everybody tries their best. Even if you don't dumpster dive, nobody wants the waste. So it is what it is. And I understand that for a lot of people, it's sad to see the actual dumpsters and how much goes wasted, but it's okay. And I also wanted to say that I know that you guys have seen that I've been posting a lot more videos recently. I had some time off of work. I've had a chance to prioritize YouTube and, you know, think about what I want to do. And it's been fun, and I'm hoping to be able to keep it up at least in a similar fashion for you guys. And with that being said, I want to thank everyone as well for always sticking it out with me. So let's get into the haul of what I did take. I have the marble iced sliced cake. I have the banana bread and muffin mix. I was actually just about to make this, and I think my oven might have broken, so I will keep you updated on that. I'm really hoping not, but it preheated, and then all of a sudden it was just like beep, 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 and none of the buttons were working. So I unplugged it, and I have it open to see if it's going to cool down, or else I don't know, maybe I'll need to figure something out. But I'm hoping it works when I plug it back in. I have a bunch of bananas behind that. I only took 1 bunch of bananas. I have 5 more over here that, as you can see, are not going to make it much longer. I will put some in the banana bread. I do not like dehydrated banana chips. My freezer is already full of bananas, so I just took 1. This, I think, is really super cute. It is like maybe a cheese board with marble and wood. There is a little crack at the top. You can barely even see it on camera. And a chip on one of the edges here somewhere, right there. But it's also Christmassy. Oh, there's a crack right there. But it's just, those are superficial cracks. And I would only use it as decor anyway, so I think that is super cute. I have those 4 lemons and the pretzel rolls, which I said in the earlier video that I would use for those sausages, which are actually currently in my freezer. I forgot to take them out. But I did take those there in my freezer. I have this very nice bag of Bartlett pears. They smell delicious. Behind that, these are not from today. These are actually from quite a while ago, but I had put them away and forgot about them before I filmed the video. These are from Gordon's. I have a big box of Belgian waffle mix and a big box of buttermilk pancake mix, which I love, 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 and eventually I will use those. It's easier for me to take things that obviously are shelf stable. I have a bag of white cheddar popcorn. I like to squeeze them. That's kind of what you saw me doing at the dumpster, to make sure that they hold air, to make sure there's no holes or anything. Okay, now this is stuff that I found at the Aldi dumpster earlier before I went back and showed you what I found. This was during the day when they were open, so that's why I didn't film for you. I'm just not comfortable and confident with that at the moment. But these are cool. I've never had these, but I've definitely seen them before. They're cheese wraps. I have 1 Parmesan and 3 cheddar. I have a pack of nice looking strawberries, and well, there was one that was very bad, but that's gone. Same with the pears. There was one that was bad, but now I have 2 packets of pears. And then I took 5 packs of the spinach, and then baby spinach and arugula. Most of it I think is just spinach. Yep, 4 spinach and then 1 spinach and arugula. And lastly is the giant bag of onions. And I found some onions just yesterday as well. So most of them I'm going to dehydrate and turn into onion powder or dehydrated onions and keep them like that, whichever way I feel. Probably some of both because there's so many. And then some of them I will just keep fresh and maybe freeze a few as well. But that's it. That's the haul. That's the dive. It's been fun. So again, thank you guys so much for understanding, and thank you for always sticking around and tagging along on all sorts of videos that I post. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam, and I will be back soon with all sorts of videos. Thank you guys. I appreciate you.